Hi guys, welcome to Team Becky's Kitchen. How are you guys doing? Hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to smoke your fish with air fryer in 3 minutes. Guys, let's get started. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Give it a thumbs up, like this video, and let's enjoy. So now I'm trying to bend the fish and using a toothpick. I put the tail through the mouth, then use the toothpick to hold it just like this. So later I've washed it, so you can see you have to wash your fish. So guys, now I'm going to add salt and leave it for at least 15 minutes. That is if you don't have time, or 10 minutes. So we're going to add it to my air fryer right now and start the work. So I'll be setting my air fryer to the fish side and let it start its own work. Please guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I upload every Friday. Sometimes if I'm lazy, I do it on Saturday. So please do subscribe. Can you see how the fish turns up? So but I'm going to leave it dry again because I want it dry up. Can you see it? Just like in the oven. You understand? If you have watched to this extent, guys, thanks for watching and God bless you. Please don't also forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helped my video to go viral. And don't also forget to share this video. Please give me a thumbs up, please. Thank you. Love you guys. See you in my next video. Wow. Bye.